महानगर के गांगुली बागान स्थित अप्सरा द डिजाइनर स्टूडियो ने 1 साल पूरा कर लिया है। यह 1 साल स्टूडियो के कर्णधार अप्सरा गोवा ठाकुरता के लिए काफी यादगार रहा।
The journey been a roller coaster ride so far because I have began the journey in the pandemic itself and shuru korar plan chilo 2020 April, but it got delayed and I began it in October 2020. So post that I have got very good response from everybody, from clients, my followers, our patrons, our associates and all the media people out there. I'm really grateful for that, but yet they've been a little bit of kind of a roller coaster ride, as I said, because I have been a survivor of COVID. I had a surgery, so post that I'm still on my feet and I'm back with bang back to this place because of Apsara the Designer Studio, because that passion of creating and designing has given birth to so many beautiful creations and I've got so many good responses and acknowledgements, so that has been really helpful and ami abar back to square one eshe gechi just because of this place.
पूजो कलेक्शंस की खासियत के बारे में अप्सरा बताती हैं।
The Durga Puja collection we have designed keeping in mind two things. One is the value for money concept, because we have had 2 lockdowns back to back, and since this is absolutely a pandemic and ongoing to be an endemic phase, so the value for money and cost effectiveness has been a primary criteria. While we have chosen the fabrics, while we have catered to the number of people or the section in the society. Also, another concept was the ongoing global warming, the humidity, because nowadays we are facing 24/7 and 365 days humidity. So there's rarely anything called winter. So যেটা মানুষ শীত গ্রীষ্ম বর্ষা তিনটে season people can afford to wear, so that it is not any more like so this is a winter collection, okay, so this is a summer collection. So that cost effectiveness again works, and then again our ecosystem has to be taken care of. So we have also launched a lot of our jute collection, keeping in mind the ecological effect.
अप्सरा द डिजाइनर स्टूडियो की हमेशा से खासियत रही है वैल्यू फॉर मनी।
We have catered to people who are not willing to spend a lot more. Again, we also have client base who are willingly spending because of the ongoing festive season, and we have collections starting from 1,000 and that can go up to 5,000, 7,000. Depends on the customization and the buying ability of the client and the designs that they choose.
लोगों ने हमेशा से अप्सरा का भरपूर साथ दिया है।
Absolutely, not only to my clients, my followers, my well-wishers, my supporters and everyone, all of you out there, it wouldn't have been possible for me and for my team and Apsara the Designer Studio to come this long and complete a full 1 successful year in the pandemic itself. However, your love, support and encouragement is something that we look forward to, and we wish to grow even more. We wish to work even harder with all your love and support. And yes, there have been times where we have tried to learn from our mistakes. We have tried to learn from our experiences, so that is also important. We are also learning along with the growth, and yes, keep loving and supporting us. We look forward to serving you the best as we always do.
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट 24/7 ताज़ा समाचार।